Give you this quick update to you what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Just woke up and I'm driving right now to the shooting because I'm shooting the fourth season of my series Slavik auf Staatsnacken, and I am director, actor, Bitcoin enthusiast, producer. So let's jump into the charts. What happening here, and I show you also my trade. So I had short position open. This short position was automatically closed because I had a stop loss to my entry position, like I told you guys. So therefore I didn't lose any money, right? And to everyone who took yesterday this trade where I told you if you break above 23,000, what was it? Wait a minute, it was 23,200. Yes, 23,200. We can make a long opportunity. So if you took here this long opportunity, guys, you are right now at least around 2.5% in profit, 10x average 25%, 20x average even 50% in profit. Let us watch what will happen next. And guys, like I told you, it's a huge warning, because the S&P 500, we see right now, we closed at Friday 4,145. Right now in the futures we are pumping 4,158. But guys, look at this. We are on the 4 hourly, so we are on the 15 minute. We are slightly overbought neutral, I would say, right? So there's still a lot room to grow. On the 1 hourly also there's still room to grow, right? So we could have a little bit room to grow, but overall, if we're zooming out 4 hourly, we are heavily overbought. And the daily we are heavily overbought. The same is with Nasdaq, right? And this is the stock market, what we are watching right now, right? The S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Look at this. Nasdaq also heavily overbought on the daily. On the 4 hourly, heavily overbought, right? On the 1 hourly, little bit room to grow. On the 50 minute, also room to grow. So in my opinion, the most safe thing would be to wait until the stock market open to see what will happen, because I still in my position that I expecting here a huge dump. I expecting a huge dump. I mean, for us doesn't matter what the expectation is, because I told you very clear the entry position for long, it was for 24,200, 23,200. So if you longed here, in my yesterday's video I told you guys, you're in a huge profit. But overall, if you're zooming out, I'm expecting a huge dump. So let's see what will happen next. So in my opinion, we could wait until we retest this white line, right? If we see something like this, right? And if we're breaking here above this line again, we could set here another long. This would be another long opportunity, right? Because we are retesting, we pass the retest, and we can set another long, right? For example, let's say if we break here, wait a minute. Let's say here, if we break here this level of 23,000, wait a minute, 23,890 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can set a long, right? So if you break 23,890 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can set a long. This is very dangerous, guys, because we're heavily overbought. But however, I mean, this is another trade opportunity. So if we're closing a 15-minute above, we can make a long to 24,080. The next one price target would be 24,200. The next one would be 24,450. The next one 24,454. The next one would be 24,700, and the next one would be here our red resistance line at around 25,089. So 5% 10x average, 50% 20x average, even 100%, right? This could be a long opportunity, but I would say only if we're closing above 23,900 or 23,870, something like that. If you're closing a 15-minute candle above, clearly with a clear body and a clear volume, we can set a long, right? This would be a long opportunity in my opinion. So let's see a short opportunity. So in my opinion, a short opportunity would be if we're breaking here below this white line. We see also we are heavily overbought. We have to cool down a little bit. We have to cool down, guys. Technically, we have to cool down because this is crazy. If we're zooming also out, I mean, if we're zooming even on the 4 hourly, wait a minute, we see here clear bearish divergence, right? We see here a bearish divergence, size going up, price is going down. Obviously, if we're breaking here this line of around of around 23,890. This will be invalid, but then we would have, I guess, a new bearish divergence, because we would see here pumping above, right, above 73. Then we would hear the RSI go up and the price would go down, so we would have another bearish divergence. So let's see, guys, let's see. I mean, for us doesn't matter, like I told you, if we break around 23,900, 23,890 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can set a long. Doesn't matter what I think or what, doesn't matter, because you see here also, I said to you, I expecting here, it's more probable that we see a dump, but I told you if we break 23,200, we could set a long. So congratulations if you set a long. Here, a short opportunity, in my opinion, is if we break here this white line with the clear 15-minute candle, with the clear body and the clear volume closing below, we can set a short. This could be a short opportunity. Let me quickly zoom out. So this short opportunity would be, wait a minute, so if we break here this white line of around 23,700, first price target would be here 23,470, 23,400, next one 23,325, 23,238, 23,132, 23,025, 22,913, 22,794, and our yellow line at around 22,600, 4.6%, 10x leverage 46%, 20x leverage around 90%. So in my opinion, very clear, the entry position for long and a short. Be careful with longs right now, be very careful. But in my opinion, if we break this line, we could set another long. So if Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can short also Ethereum, 1,723 first price, 1,710, 1,699, 1,685, 1,672, and the last would be the red line of around 1,650, 4.4%, 10x at 44%. By the way, we perfectly reached also our bullish price targets today in the night. And guys, also, what I forgot to say, go quickly back to Bitcoin. I told you we will see high volatility while we are sleeping, and what we saw, boom, we saw high volatility while we are sleeping, because the Asia market is open on Sunday when we are sleeping. So perfectly worked out, and if you set a long, you are in the profits. So where are the long opportunities? So if Bitcoin breaks to price tags, if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, we can also long Ethereum, first price tag 1,750, 1,766 and 1,787, 3.0%, 10x average 30%, 20x average 60%. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, like every time, guys, we can long Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can short Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So very clear in my opinion. Watch the S&P 500. Watch the S&P 500. Watch the S&P 500 and Nasdaq today at 9:30 when the stock market open. If we see huge pump in the Nasdaq S&P fund, we have a little bit space to pump. But overall, I expect a huge dump in the next days. I expect this as a huge trap, and that we see a dump. It's not a guarantee, guys. Don't take and mark my words like you told us. It's or technically, because Nasdaq and S&P fund heavily overbought. Still a little bit room to grow, but the probability is more that we are dropping down overall in the bigger picture. However, it doesn't matter, guys, because we can set, even if today the market pumping, I told you a clear entry position for a long. In my opinion, yesterday the long opportunity also perfectly worked out. So therefore, it doesn't matter. We can set still a long. If we see the market pumping above our long entry position, we can set a long. If we are dumping, we can set a short. So it doesn't matter, guys. Now we can long and short, and perfectly working out my price targets, my entry position perfectly working out yesterday, perfectly worked out and all the last days. But I'm not Nostradamus. Please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. But don't forget, guys, here you get right now overall a bonus of $11,620 on Prime XBT. You get at the moment, I negotiate with them. It's only for really short time. I think only for 2-3 days. You get $7,000, up to $7,000 on your deposit with promo code Slavic Crypto. You have to type in Slavic Crypto. You get 7% of your initial deposit, so up to $7,000. And on Bybit, you know, you get $4,620 for free after initial deposit and 30 days zero maker fee. So go now, make a registration on Prime XBT, get $7,000. Just move your funds and use the Slavic promo code. Don't forget it. This is my affiliate links, guys. And if you have any questions, write me down below or join our Telegram group. Telegram group is at the moment for free. I will close it for people who are trading through my affiliate links. So it's a win-win situation. I share my knowledge, and you're trading through my, if you're trading through my affiliate link, I get small percentage of your trading fee. So I think nobody pays, everybody win. It's a win-win situation, guys. But right now it's still open for free. Slavic Alerts channel, link down below. I want to quickly show you my, because a long time not showed it, my long position, this the long-term swing trade, $18,500 in profit, $100,000 in contract size. This is my long where I adding it, even if we're dumping, we're adding it. My short position, which I had open, got stopped out at the entry position, so I don't lose any money. But if you entered yesterday this long position where I clearly told you the entry position, you are in high profit. And right now we have also very clear entry position. So go at the start again if you forgot the entry position, guys. And I kiss you, and I go right now shooting with Titty twins. This is a woman which has make a lot of operation, and a man which looks like a woman, but they are together. I don't know, I cannot explain you it. I will ask them why, what, but the German speaking people will see it in Slavic auf Start, Snacken, 4. Staffel. And guys, yes, I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.